Hello. Welcome to Waggies Travels on a very cold, wet day. We've had to do getting out of the house, haven't we?
Yeah, they'll be done.
Stir crazy. So yet again we've sort of left our house and gone over the road onto the coast, and we're at Cawsands. See that?
I wonder if they can guess what that noise is in the background.
Yeah. Can you guess? Can you guess the noise? And look at this.
It's cold and it's wet and it's dead. It's empty. Absolutely dead. Even the little shops, the little village shop and takeaway that you'd normally get open, which I would class as essential.
Yeah, the little shop that I would definitely class as essential isn't open. So this is Cawsands, and then we're going to have a little traipse and probably go to Kingsands, but not 100% sure because it is very cold and wet. Oh, I hate this. This just can't go on, can it?
No.
No.
At least you get out and about.
Yeah, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Because of the job that I do, I get out and about. But I'm at the point where I'm actually getting worried for everyone's mental health because it's horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. Anyway, I don't want to be down and bleak because that's not us. We don't do down and bleak.
Can you show them the pictures of the tiles in this range?
Yeah, I just said, look, I have showed you the tiles. Look, that is
No, behind you.
Oh, hang on, let's turn around. So this is, hang on a minute, I'm just going to flip round a bit and then see what we've got. So,
fishing and that rings a bell, but I don't know where it is, and I wasn't being funny.
It's only here, isn't it?
Yeah, probably. The Cawsands Ferry by Zoe Cole, ceramic artist in 1999. And Cornwall, one and all. I asked one of my Cornish work colleagues the other day if after being here for 11 years I could apply for a Cornish visa. I won't tell you what he said.
It probably ended it off, didn't it?
It did. It did.
Just
So,
guess.
anyway, it is chilly, but we're going to have a look around, have a walk. Kingsands, I think.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Right.
oh, where are we to now?
Kingsands.
We're at Kingsands. We come all the way round from round now. All of about 500 yards. But
that's quite nice though, rather picturesque. Back in there.
How about that one down there?
where's that one?
Even though it's facing the wrong way, there's
So we've, as you know, we've only just moved recently to the area, so we're still finding our feet. And all of this, literally, is right on our doorstep. So during
not
this,
coming out.
eh?
I'm staying in here.
She's hiding under the umbrella-y.
At my hood.
Under hood. So yeah, and it's just to getting out,
There's nobody about anyway.
I sound manically depressed today, don't I? Which you all know is just not me. I'm just sort of normally right on it, but it's just bloody Right, let's go and have a look round. So, I love the words so and ah. We noticed a Spar Shop on the way in, which is lovely. I'm going to have some of that because I'm sure I need something I haven't got. Mushrooms, that's nice. Storm Cottage. What a view. Unsuitable for motor vehicles. I was here many years ago and managed to get a bag of chips, which I'm not going to get today.
That's what we want, something like that.
That's it, yes, I agree, but I want a glassed one. No parking, turning area. I'm really sorry, there's water on the lens, the weather's horrendous. Can't wait for the summer, can't wait for the end of lockdown. Well, the seagulls are in full voice. Can you hear them? Right, Lisa is doing definite hibernation today. She's just not playing at all, are you?
No. It's a beautiful place, but it's not a very nice day.
Yeah. It's lovely.
I'd love to come back here, yes.
It's lovely, but it's wet. Oh, that could do a lick of wood, lick of paint, really, couldn't it? Look at that.
Well, that would be something, yeah.
No. This is where we keep walking and then find out that we can't get any further. So, yeah, I think that's just about to happen, if I'm very honest. I think we're just about to run out of road. Yep, we are. We're just about to run out of road. Look at that. But look at the view. It is gorgeous. It's bloody lovely. It's just bloody wet. Right, we're venturing into, we don't know if we can get any further, but we're doing it. Someone has just walked this way, so we're assuming that there's a way to get somewhere. But if we get round a corner and I can't see any steps, we're going back. Whoa. Yep, hang on a minute, keep walking. Keep walking. What do you reckon chances of getting out? Hang on a minute, I'll turn the camera around. Can we do this? I've just got normal shoes on as opposed to my walking boots, so I'm probably going to get a boot full of water and end up flat on my face. Did you want a walk on the beach, dear?
Oh. It's always fun with you, hun.
Hey?
Always fun, day out with you.
This is... The umbrella's doing weird things.
Well, it's slightly broken anyway.
Slightly broken. It's flaccid in one corner.
Okay, so off the beach, found a footpath. No idea where it goes. Her umbrella is just about to go from broken to totally wrecked, or she's going to ping it and it's going to hit me. We only stuck an hour on the car park. We followed the footpath. A minute, let's cue you off. Start again. Right, we followed the footpath and we've now found a mud path. Oh dear. Oh, on a summer's day. Look at that. Look at that. Wow.
Can you see out of those glasses?
Not a sodding thing.
You need some windscreen wipers.
I know.
Right, I wasn't too cold, but I am now.
Alright. So we're trying to find the Spar Shop.
I think my hands are colder because I'm cold.
I'm just remembering all this for when the summer months are here and we can sort of just come across a couple of miles and
Yes.
park the car up on the outskirts and walk in.
Yeah. Look at those houses up there, look, on the ridge.
See the houses? See the houses on the ridge up there? But they're taking opportunities now. Look, it looks like the rising sun is being done up. Yeah, well, they're doing takeaways. Excellent. I reckon that's the old school, didn't you? There. What do you reckon?
Possibly.
You know when you've got no idea where you are?
This is not for cows here, though, is it?
No. Well, there's a little car up there somewhere. So. Yeah. Oh look, we're in Devon.
1620.
Yeah, we're in Devon. Can you tell me? We're in Devon.
Oh, Plymouth City Council.
Yeah.
Oh,
So we've come over the border. By coming across from Cawsands to Kingsands, we've come over the border. We're rebels, aren't we? I wonder if their what do you call it, rates are higher. Yeah? Way to do it. Oh, look. We've done a full circle.
Well, we found a car park.
we're back.
It's over there.
But we're going to walk up to the Spar Shop, which is just up here on the left.
It's weird, isn't it?
What's that?
A few months ago, if you said you'd be quite excited about going out into the Spar Shop, it would have been laughable. But now it's a day out.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bloody madness, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
Bloody madness. There's a lot of old chapels and old post offices and The old post office is just to our left, but
There's a charter house, isn't there?
Charter House. Ooh. I can see the Spar Shop.
Oh,
I don't have a mask, it's in the car.
I've got a mask, you can use mine.
Coming all this way and I can't get in the shop.
Oh, she's going into the shop. Right, Spar Shop. Spar Shop. Only 2 people at a time. So we've got to wait for someone to come out.
Are there 2 people in there already?
There are 2 people in already.
Okay.
One might be short, I don't know, yeah? Yeah. So, yeah, there's 2 people. Just got to wait for it to come out and then... and I want chocolate. Just saying. GoPro, stop recording. We're back in a car. Can you see me? Because I can't see you. Hang on a minute. No, I definitely can't see you. So we're back in a car. We've had a walk from Cawsands to Kingsands.
We had a sandwich in the street and we're not sure if we broke the
Yeah, we don't know
law.
if we broke the law by eating a sandwich in the street.
We only shared one between us.
Yeah.
It's not construed as an actual picnic,
No,
is
it
it?
wasn't a picnic. It was a I'm hungry because
Yeah.
we've had a walk. So I
And,
sulked because I'd not got chocolate. Chocolate.
You know, some of us prefer it a bit darker than others.
What about chocolate?
So it'd be rude.
It's a bit rude. And we got some eggs.
I got some lovely eggs.
I got some eggs because I got some eggs the other day, which I thought were a bargain. And apparently they came from concentration camp egg chickens.
My caged hens, yes.
They came from caged hens, and she will not eat eggs from caged hens.
Yeah, and you'll get lots of comments from other people saying exactly the same thing. If nobody buys them, then the people go out of business, or they have to be more ethical. So there we go. And these are from lovely happy hens, free range eggs from hens, and they're going to be real nice size. Oh, look at the look! See, that is a proper egg, and the yolks will be orange, and they'll just be lovely. Whereas your eggs today, I didn't even have to put any milk with it. They were just insipid. They were from very, very sad hens.
Another party political broadcast on behalf of the Waggies Travels party.
Oh,
Anyway, we having a look round. It's a bit of exercise. Cawsands Kingsands during the summer will be absolutely amazing. Probably won't be able to park, but yeah, absolutely lovely. Cold, wet. Keep safe, people.
it's just as well there's nobody here because the houses are 2 metres apart.
True.
They are very, very little roads.
They are. Yeah, people keep safe, and we're just trying to keep the channel going with a bit of walk around, bit of banter. So thank you for your continued support. Keep well, keep safe, and chat to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.